Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Many Clash of Clans players often wonder about a dedicated ranked match feature, similar to what you find in other competitive games. However, Clash of Clans doesn't actually have a direct ranked button or queue. Instead, the ultimate individual competitive experience and the true ranked mode for top players is the prestigious Legend League. This is where the best consistently test their skills and climb the global leaderboards. The Legend League sits at the very top of Clash of Clans' trophy ladder, starting at 5,000 trophies. Once you enter, you commit to a daily competitive cycle. Each day, you're assigned 8 unique bases to attack, and your own base is attacked by 8 different opponents. This continuous push and pull system is how you truly climb the ranks among the world's best. To even qualify for the Legend League, your village needs to be highly developed, typically at a maxed or near-max town hall 13, 14, or even higher. It's truly a journey of consistent trophy pushing, where you'll face increasingly challenging opponents. The key is to relentlessly upgrade your offensive and defensive capabilities, ensuring your armies are strong enough to consistently secure 3-star attacks against powerful bases. Within the Legend League, every day is a new challenge. You'll perform 8 attacks, each yielding a fixed amount of trophies based on stars earned, and your base will endure 8 defenses. The daily goal is clear: maximize your offensive stars while minimizing the stars lost on defense. It's a continuous cycle of strategic planning, perfect execution, and adapting your base layout to maintain or improve your global ranking. So, for 2025, the Legend League truly stands as the singular, ultimate individual ranked experience in Clash of Clans. There haven't been any indications from Supercell about implementing a separate, traditional ranked matchmaking queue. If you're aiming to truly test your mettle and compete with the best players globally, mastering the Legend League is indeed the only path forward. It's where your legacy is built.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.